Hey everyone, Ottley here, and today we've got another walk and talk in a forest session here in Romania. Very beautiful. But I want to walk through with you all today something that I think a lot of you may be struggling with as an entrepreneur, and something that I wish I knew a lot sooner, and that really in the past few years in my journey has made all of the difference and allowed me to see levels of success that I never really even planned for. I've surpassed the levels that I originally hoped to attain when I first started as an entrepreneur. So if you're new to the channel and don't know me, my name is Ottley. I've been doing online entrepreneurship for 6 years now, since I left high school at 18. I've done e-commerce, drop shipping, SMMA, now building AI businesses in the AI space. My agency, Morningside AI, education business, and I've got a SaaS as well. So I've done a lot of different things in the online business space and had a lot of success, particularly in the past 2 years, mainly due to what I'm going to talk you through in this video, which is the concept of conviction and how vitally important it is for entrepreneurs. It's like the secret sauce or the secret ingredient that is missing in a lot of young entrepreneurs or early stage entrepreneurs. So conviction is the state of having no doubt, or like being completely being free of doubt, basically. And a lot of us, when we're starting our entrepreneurial journeys, we are sold a dream by this person or by someone like myself. I tell you that you should start this, or you need to do this, or this is the business model for you. And we take the advice of people who feasibly seem to have the knowledge, or someone that we should trust and take advice from, and we take their word for it. It's like taking investing advice from someone like this shit coin is going to go to the moon, you need to invest in it now, and you just kind of take their word for it and not actually do the maths yourself, or do the research required yourself to actually come to the conclusion yourself that is the right play for you. And this is what undermines a lot of entrepreneurs when they start in a vehicle. Say you start in any online business vehicle at the moment right now, you can make money. People are actively making money in anything that you've probably heard of at this point. So it's not necessarily the business model that is the reason you can't make money or you're struggling to succeed with entrepreneurship right now. It's more so your belief and conviction in it. Because if you can make money with anything, and all of these businesses are feasible and there's money to be made, the only thing that's stopping you is you not following through and going through the phases of, like Hormozi talks about a lot, of like uninformed optimism and then informed pessimism, and then going through those cycles, right? Of you realizing, okay, this is actually a lot harder than I thought. Now I need to do a lot more work to get to the point where I'm actually going to see results. But because you don't have any conviction in the model or the vehicle that you're choosing to work in, you end up giving up on it before you've given it the work that it needs to get to the level of making money that is actually possible, and there are people doing it. So not having conviction has affected me earlier in my career as well, where I would jump into something, I'd do it for a bit, and it'd be like, oh, the grass is green on the other side, there's something else I should be doing, there's more opportunity elsewhere. And what I want to really explain to you in this video is that if you are an entrepreneur starting out and you're really struggling, then doing the maths on where you should put your time is by far one of the most important things in your career, right? Making sure that you are picking the right vehicle and model, that you have done the maths and you said this is the best use of my time. And this is what I call in my accelerator program. We have it in one of our modules that I've made in there, as I call it the entrepreneur's equation, where you've got basically your inputs, you've got the model, and then you've got the output. So all of us have the inputs that we put into our entrepreneurial vehicle, right? And say the entrepreneurial vehicle is what is converting our inputs of time, effort, energy, resources, money, whatever. So when you pick to start a drop shipping business, you're putting in your time, your effort, your energy, your money, your capital to get it started. And then the vehicle or the model is what is converting those inputs into some kind of output. And so the efficiency of that conversion from input to output, and making sure that that ratio and the kind of outputs that you see from your inputs and the vehicle that you've chosen is so vitally important to get right. And when you feel like you have found the right model that gives you the kind of output and input to output relationship that you require to get the lifestyles that you want, then you can have conviction in what you're doing. So the main thing you should be focusing on is, how can I find the right, as an entrepreneur, how can I find the vehicle that to me is like, you have complete faith and not faith, but belief, and we've done the maths basically on this thing is the best place for me to put my time. And that is when you're getting the best input to output relationship, because we don't want to all of us are inherently lazy to some degree, right? We want to be able to, if I could give you the same thing, but you have to work twice as hard for it, which one would you rather get? You'd rather be able to get to the same position or even greater by doing less work, right? So finding the vehicle or the model that allows you to convert your inputs into outputs as efficiently as possible is the one you should find. And then once you have that, you can have conviction and say, well, like, okay, this is the vehicle, this is the model, this is what I'm going to keep my time in and just stick with for as long as it takes for it to work. And the way this ties into myself and my channel and everything that I'm doing, and you guys watching this video too, is that for me, the reason you've seen me do so well in the AI space since I got in with my team is that we hit it with complete conviction. We were like, there is no better use of our time right now as a team than going all in on this and just having complete conviction. Like, where else? We are catching this world-changing trend right at the start. We have an opportunity to build a YouTube channel and build a massive following, and we're catching the like economic trade winds, or what I call it in my accelerator. There's so much wind at our back if we can position ourselves right in this. So for us, there wasn't even a thought of we're going to back out of this. It's like, if we are catching a gigantic trend like this early, then where else? I've heard of people coming into the AI space and then finding it hard and then ditching it and going into start like an SMA or something. I'm like, what, you'd rather get like the 8-year-old vehicle that's been like absolutely put through the ringer and milk dry for every single penny and is completely saturated and commoditized, then maybe stick it out for another year in this emerging space that has so much more upside potential, because there's the opportunity density in the AI space is so much greater than in something, say, in the SMA space. This is again what I talk about in my accelerator. In order to build that conviction in, say, the AI space, you can just look at it and do the maths and say, well, it's an emerging space. There's so much more opportunity, so many more like small, large, and even gigantic opportunities that are scattered throughout this. And by me just going into it and committing to it and basically refusing to give up, the chance of me bumping into a large or even gigantic opportunity is so much greater than in any other vehicle imaginable, because the space is so uncharted. And by you starting a business here like myself, you can spot education opportunities, you can spot SaaS opportunities, and just wait until you see some of the stuff that we're working on towards the end of this year and next year. It is just like endless. We have an issue right now where we have too many opportunities, and the hardest thing about running our business at the moment is saying no to them. And that is an unbelievable kind of place to be in as an entrepreneur. And so to tie everything together, what I'm trying to say here is, if you've been struggling as an entrepreneur, it's likely because you've been entering these different business models with a lack of conviction, and you've been taking other people's words for it. You've been listening to maybe me on why you should start an AI business, or you've been listening to another person on why, like, affiliate marketing is the way to do it, or this, or giving you all of these ideas on different ways that you should be, and you're jumping from one to the other, and because you're not doing the math yourself and figuring out why you should put your time into it and hitting it with complete conviction, you are ending up going through, maybe putting in 5 or 6 months of effort, not being entirely sure, and like the whole time being kind of wasting your energy on thinking about, oh, like, should I be looking at this? Like, you're wasting energy by not being all in. And ultimately you end up jumping out of it and going into something different and like niche hopping or model hopping and never making any progress. Whereas if you just stuck with something and said, look, I know I can make money with any of these, let me just pick the one that I know has the greatest amount of potential. And for me, and I hope for you as well, you can see that that's the AI space right now. And in order to build your conviction as well, go out and do the research on it in terms of the economic factors that are at play as well. If you look in, I will leave a link in the description about a really valuable report that I've read that helped me to be have much more conviction about the AI space as a whole. Just the huge waves that are going to affect our global economy over the next decade, and the fact that you can position yourself to benefit from them and really catch the rising tide as it lifts all boats, is the reason I have so much conviction in this space. So it can come in multiple different forms, where you are understanding the economic situation, you are understanding that the AAA model, for example, is the best way for you to like get deeper into the AI space and explore it further. But what I'm trying to say here is that you need to do the math yourself. You need to come to the conclusion and not just take other people's advice for it. So I'm instructing you, I'm telling you, if you're going to do something, you need to go in 100% and make sure that you're not just doing what other people tell you to do. Because if you stick with it, you will make money in anything you do. Just make sure you're picking the right one. All right, it's been all for me. I'll put another video up here if you want to watch something else from me about, put up some different AI solutions that you can sell and start an AI business around. Aside from that, that's been another forest walk and talk from me. I'll see you in the next one.